there, I'm Jennifer Lingle, founder and director of Autism Educates, where I provide in-home educational services to families affected by autism, and I also provide parents with training and support all over the world. So during this time of COVID-19, I have been putting together some really fun activities for my son, and then also thinking of the families that I work with and how these activities can benefit them as well. So I wanted to just share with you this fun activity where you can find household items. And by the way, I'm all about finding items in your home where you do not need to spend money. Like, that is one of my biggest things right now, because I know that everybody's trying to just save their money for things that they really need. And so I've been finding materials in the house that I already have. So today's activity is making a person, or just using your creativity to make anything you want using fun things at home. So I put in here some popsicle sticks, some straws. I have these little shapes that we have at our house. And I've been, here's a lid to a ketchup container. That's really fun, as long as your children are careful and don't snap their fingers in it. So just some fun little activities, some fun materials. And then what I've done is I've taken this blue board, you can use a mat or anything, even a piece of construction paper, and we just create stuff on here. So we'll put a face, and I'll put a body. This morning I had a whole fun little person on here just to model and show my child some fun things that we could make. And of course, he didn't have any interest in that, but what he did have interest in is when I pretended to make this into a Paw Patrol puppy. So I just said, let's pretend we're making Chase. And he then was like all about it. So this is just a fun way to tap into your child's creativity and to talk about body parts and to just explore and have some fun and use your imagination. So super easy, simple activity today. I hope that you find it helpful, and I look forward to connecting with you. I would love to hear from you too. Feel free to comment under this video. What kinds of fun activities are you doing with your kids at home? Much love to everybody. Take care. Bye.